Hello guys, welcome back to part 5 of our BMW 335i build, where today we're installing the wide body. That's what that massive box is here. So I'm Robbie, Quinn and Josh behind the camera. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so a little bit of an update about where the car sits as is. It is still not running. Make sure to go check out our recent video where we blew it up. But other than that, I've already sanded the entire front bumper, as you can see, so it's pretty much, the body is ready to accept the wide body and pretty much the wrap. But Quinn, you want to let them know what's going on with the car itself?
So when we were doing those pulls, as seen in this video here, we may or may not have blown out some of the MOSFETs that control the injectors on the ECU. So currently the ECU's been sent out. They'll be back in say a week or so, and this thing will be running again. We're about 99% certain that's the problem, but we're not gonna leave you guys without content, so.
Yeah, I mean, it's sitting in the garage. Wide body is here.
Let's go and get into it.
Yeah, let's get like right into it. All right, massive box. That's falling apart. I have already opened this because I needed to check it and make sure it wasn't destroyed in shipping. All right, this is the, all right, again guys, we don't have $8,000 to drop on an authentic wide body
We're supposed
kit.
to pretend we do.
Yeah, you're right, we're supposed to lie to you guys. Let's not.
This is an authentic Liberty Walk wide body kit.
Straight from Japan.
Overnighted it.
Straight from Japan, no. So this is actually the Duraflex Liberty Walk style wide body kit. So yes, it is a replica kit, but again, as we mentioned in our first video, we ain't got the budget that some of these other people have. So this is,
I think it's gonna look just as good because it's a mimic of it with a little bit of elbow grease. This thing's gonna look fantastic.
Yeah, and of course we rather have the authentic stuff, but this will do. So
it's very nicely wrapped, I'll say that.
Yeah, that's a rear over fender. Probably that side.
Dude, this is
probably
wide.
the other side.
Lee, this is wide.
This thing is, I mean, as we mentioned in the first video, I think the wheel specs that fit on this is a 19 by 12 minus 50 in the rear. So jumping thing, it's got some girth to it.
That, I assume, would be the wing.
No, this is the front lip. Yeah, this is the front lip of the bumper.
Pretty nice.
All right.
This would be the wing.
Yes, wing.
All yours.
And those are the rear.
These go on like the bumper, don't they?
Yeah, the rear bumper. So I mean, the front stuff is in one of those packages. Let's unwrap this. Let's do front lip first, because I want to see if it'll actually mock up the front bumper.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Also, this kit is made for the M3, which has
that style bumper,
front bumper, but it also has different style front fenders. So we are hoping that the 335i and the M3 front fenders are a good enough match to where it's not going to take a crap ton of work to make them fit.
Well, we're cutting them anyway, so.
True.
Just talking about body lines, though, because I think the M3 is pretty similar, but the M3 has the vent right here, which most likely, assuming the kit will have a cutout for the vent.
Yeah. So the kit does have a. So if we just draw on it with its dust, the body kit goes like that around the vent. So this light's going to have to be at least moved, and it goes like that. But yeah, let's open it and we can actually see.
Yeah, what is what.
Oh my lord, this thing is massive.
Oh yeah.
6 inches maybe?
Oh, you're gonna have to sand this whole kit.
The keyword in that being me.
Yeah, oh yeah.
All right. Good lord, that's got like the drilled holes for the.
Everything's marked out on it, yeah.
Let's see.
You see how it's like almost there? The way the center part is raised up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna match it. And through.
But I mean, if we
we could make that look sick. If we do this right.
And I thought my sanding was almost done, but
No, every single one of these.
I mean, first impressions, it's not a crappy kit.
No, it's these pieces are thick.
Yeah, it's a well-built kit. It just is not exactly for this car. Hey, you know my prayer about please just make this fit.
Yeah. Ooh, wavy. That can be worked out. Rear wing. Let's put all the pieces that fit over there and we'll work the rest.
Yeah, so now we're gonna attempt to mock this up. So
Please bear with us.
yeah, give us
Couple minutes. Couple minutes.
And
We'll be
some
all right.
good luck.
We're just gonna take those and put them on there. What you doing?
stop.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of work.
All right, so
It's like got the general shape.
it's all.
The lines will match up.
I think I'm the only one. I am the only one that has wide body
Yeah.
before. This is decently normal. This is not fantastic, but it's not anything out of the ordinary. So holding it in place, it's got a good fit to it as far as the actual.
Let's show them real quick.
Yeah, as far as where the over fender meets the body, it's got a
looks
good fit. So once we get some bolts in here, it'll actually hold it down. The only thing I'm worried about is this little corner over here. It's a little bit flared, but I mean,
Well, here,
worst comes to worst, I can break
little
it off.
pieces.
Yeah, those pieces go on the back.
Like,
I mean, so the rear bumper, again, different on the 335i than it is for the M3. So we are going to run into a little bit of an issue. So we may not even run these. And frankly, that's flush enough to where it doesn't really matter. So we don't really have to run these, but
it's close.
it's doable. I don't know about these things, but the fender is doable.
That fits. That fits.
I'm calling that fit.
That fits. That's about it.
That's every piece of tape popping off. I just like the fact that it's actually, you know, it follows the line enough that we can make it work.
Yeah.
It's close enough.
It's very close enough. So back looks actually really good when I saw the tape. But wing and the bumper extension look great. Everything else, it's gonna need some heat. It's gonna need some body work, which
Love taps.
it's everything that goes along with a body work, wide body install. So although it may look bad, we are not necessarily worried about it. I might be a little bit worried about the front fenders. just because this kit was made for M3 front fenders and we have 335i front fenders. So it looks rough, but we're gonna get it to fit. We think it's gonna fit actually relatively nice once we massage it on there. And that is going to all be in the next video. So this was just pretty much a mock-up, what it's gonna look like. The next video, which you'll either see next week or the week after, will be us installing and pretty much buttoning up the wide body install. So it might be a longer video, but you get the point. I'm just rambling on right now. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. It's gonna be awesome when we get it on there. Just gotta trust us. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, stay tuned so you don't miss a video. And so when it comes to building your car, make sure to build it, don't buy it. See you guys.